This is Katie. Katie is one of our analysts on the team here, really a fantastic cycle analyst and has been a great student of my work and now a full-fledged member of the askSlim analytical team. And you'll see the quality of her work and how she understands this as she shows you our cycle low timing tracker. This is in beta. This is for our level 3 and 4 members. And you will just love the work that she brings to you right now. And she'll show you why there's been some short-term short side setups in Freeport and GDX and Newmont. I think that you're going to find this incredibly valuable.
Hi, this is Katie with askSlim. In this type of trading environment where we have many symbols that have broken down on either the weekly or daily time frame and many others that are threatening to, we can use the cycle low timing tracker to look for short side opportunities. It might seem counterintuitive that this tool can be used this way because cycle lows generally bring upside opportunities, even if in some cases they're very short-lived. But we have a section on the cycle low timing tracker that calls attention to potential upcoming short side opportunities, and that is this section here called the in sync box. In sync means that the current daily cycle ends at a period of time when we would also be expecting the intermediate term cycle to bottom. So symbols in this box are expected to show weakness at some point in their cycle, maybe potential breakdowns, as the intermediate term more dominant cycle begins to move down into its bottoming phase. So to demonstrate how this works, let's take a look at 3 symbols which are in the materials sector that are currently in the in sync box: Freeport-McMoRan, Newmont Mining, and the gold miner ETF GDX. Now, Newmont and GDX first appeared in the in sync box on March 31st, and Freeport appeared on April 4th. If we look at a daily chart of Freeport, this red arrow up at the top shows the day that Freeport appeared in the in sync box on the cycle low timing tracker. And it just so happened that we started to experience that expected weakness right away, with the likelihood of that weakness continuing out through the end of this daily cycle. Now, it doesn't always happen that we get weakness immediately. The symbols in the in sync box are calling your attention to that likelihood, but we don't just short something the day it appears in that box. We want to watch for signs that the expected weakness is starting to manifest itself. So here we're looking at a daily chart of Newmont Mining. As I said, Newmont appeared in the in sync box on March 31st, and I have that date marked with the red arrow. So notice that we got quite a bit more upside after that, and it's only just been in the last few days that we've started to see price coming down as we approach this daily cycle timing window. And also just now that momentum is starting to shift negative with the reversal scout turning purple. The reversal scout is one of our proprietary momentum indicators. Sometimes more than one daily cycle is in sync with the window for the intermediate term bottoming process, and in that case the expected weakness can occur in either of those in sync cycles or both. So in the case of Newmont, we would expect to get a bounce here as this next daily cycle begins, and then watch to see if this cycle, wherever the low comes in here, is going to give us the intermediate term low before another strong wave up, or if the intermediate term low will come out here at the end of this next cycle. If we see failure to make a new high, rejection from the resistance zone that we will create once we have an anchor point, or even a breakdown in this next cycle, then we will know that any attempted rallies would make good potential short side opportunities because the weakness that we are expecting would be continuing into this cycle. And here is a daily chart of GDX. It looks very similar to that of Newmont, and we would look for the same thing. Will the intermediate term low come here at the end of this cycle, and we get a strong upside move in the next cycle, or will the intermediate term low come out at the end of this next cycle? If you'd like to learn more about askSlim and our cycle low timing tracker, please visit us at askSlim.com.
Great work on that, Katie. Really love to see how you really show off our fantastic content, especially this cycle low timing tracker. So thanks for that.